Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the installer can run reliably. Check OS build, free disk space, and RAM. This prevents mid-install failures. Once done, confirm the installer file isn't corrupted by comparing its checksum or signature, because a bad file causes silent errors. Then run the installer with elevated privileges, right-click Run as Administrator or sudo, and close background apps to reduce conflicts. This sequence reduces environmental causes and gets you into the actual troubleshooting quickly and safely. You now focus on capturing what goes wrong and why. Enable verbose or debug logging in the installer options so you collect detailed messages. Logs reveal missing dependencies or permission denials. If the installer fails, open installer. Log and the system event log and copy exact error codes, these pinpoint causes. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or firewall if they're blocking components, because security software often quarantines installers. Once you get clear error text, you can map that to a fix rather than guessing. You finish by repairing or performing a clean reinstall to eliminate partial installs. Try the program's built-in repair. If that fails, uninstall, remove leftover folders and registry keys, and then run the latest installer with elevated privileges. Make sure to reboot after installation so services register correctly. If problems persist, capture the new logs and attempt installation in a clean boot or safe mode to eliminate third-party conflicts. Key troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, save logs and error codes before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.